Welcome to Rossfield in West Mobile, Alabama. This booth floor plan is a 4-bedroom with 2 full baths. It's over 1,900 square feet. It comes standard with the granite countertops in the kitchen as well as the baths. A smart home package. It's a Gold FORTIFIED home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. A 2-car garage, and this community will have a community pool, a fitness room, and a clubhouse. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Don't forget, anytime you visit a new construction community, make sure you let them know that you're working with Frankie Wink. You deserve a buyer's agent working for your best interest. And the best part is, the builder pays my compensation. You get the best of both worlds. I know what you're thinking. Will you get a better deal if you don't use a buyer's agent? Absolutely not. New construction homes are priced to sell. The prices have to remain the same for the other homes in this community to appraise. That's why builders offer incentives. Incentives like interest rate buy-downs or contributing to your buyer's closing costs. These are ways to save you money without affecting the appraisal value of the home. Call today for the current incentives, 251-234-9919.